Hello everyone, welcome again to my standard 10th geometry class. Children, from last two video lessons we have been solving our exercise 6.3. Today again we are continuing the same exercise 6.3 and we will see some new type of examples today. So question number 12, exercise 6.3. Here is the diagram. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Then show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So children, before starting its solution, let us revise few terms. What is the meaning of proportional? Proportional means ratios equal. Ratios of what? Ratios of corresponding sides. Like here AB upon PQ. You have to take the ratio of sides of two different triangles, not with the sides of same triangle. Right? So what is given? AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. These three ratios are in proportional, means these three ratios are equal is given to you, and you have to prove that triangle ABC, the complete bigger triangle, is similar to triangle PQR. So we have triangle ABC and triangle PQR in which AD and PM are medians. Now what is the meaning of medians? Median is a line segment joining the vertex of a triangle with the midpoint of opposite side. So here AD is the median. In this triangle PM is the median, right? That means point D and point M are the midpoints of sides BC and QR respectively, right? So they are the medians, and what is given? The ratios, as we have discussed. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. Right? All these things are given. So since AD and PM are the medians, that BC can be written as 2 times BD. Isn't it? Why? Since D is midpoint of BC. Similarly, QR can be written as 2 times QM. So right here, replace AB upon PQ as it is. This BC you can write as 2 times BD, and this QR can be written as 2 times QM, and third ratio as it is. Now this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So you will get 3 ratios as AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM. See from the diagram. So that means all three sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding three sides of the other triangle. So therefore triangle ABD, see half triangle, is similar to triangle PQM. By which criteria? SSS criteria. So once the triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. So by that property you will get angle ABD. This angle is equal to angle PQM. Right? Now this angle ABD can be written as angle ABC equal to PQR. Here it is. Same angle, only the names are different. So ABC equal to PQR. Give this as equation number 1. Now come to the bigger triangles ABC and PQR. Let us see what are the equal parts here. So we have already given that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR given, and just now from equation 1 we have ABC is equal to PQR. That means two sides are in proportion and included angles are equal. So that means triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by side angle side criteria. Now next, question number 13, exercise 6.3. So here in the diagram what is given? D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC, this complete angle this ADC is equal to complete angle BAC. These two angles equal given. Then you have to prove this expression. Right. So what we will do? First we will try to prove these two angles, the bigger triangle ABC and the smaller triangle ADC similar. Okay. So let us see how we can prove that. So we have in triangle ABC a point D on its side BC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. So this angle is equal to this angle, right? So now you take triangle ABC, the bigger one, and triangle ADC. Let us see what are the equal parts here. So BAC equal to ADC already given to you. Now tell me which angle is common between the two triangles? Angle C. This angle C, it is common in both the triangle, the bigger one as well as in triangle ADC. So angle BAC equal to angle DCA, common angle. So the two angles of one triangle are respectively congruent with the corresponding two angles of the other triangle. Therefore, triangle BAC is similar to ADC. See, 1-1 correspondence. This complete angle A is corresponds to D. Then angle of this vertex C corresponds to vertex C. So therefore remaining B corresponds to A. So children, see this 1-1 correspondence is very important. So triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC by angle rule. So once the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So here I copied those similar triangles once again. Triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC. Now we'll take the ratio of corresponding sides. So since in the required expression we want AC square, so we will try to take only those sides containing AC, ratio of those sides. So here you take this AC upon DC is equal to BC upon AC. See here. So we have taken the ratio in this form so that when we cross multiply, we will get CA into CA is equal to CB into CD. So CA into CA is CA square is equal to CB into CD, and this is what we want in the required expressions. Now question number 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. find the height of the tower. Okay, so in applications of trigonometry chapter, we had enough discussion on this type of sum, like as I said, the tower, building, then lighthouse, tree, all these things are always perpendicular to the ground. Even if it is not given, it is understood that the angles made by them with the ground is 90 degree. So here let us describe our diagram in short. So let AB, which is height of the tower, and it is given to be equal to 6 meter, height of the pole, sorry, not tower. It's given to be equal to 6 meter, and BC is the length of its shadow, right? So this is our triangle ABC. Now come to other triangle. Here this DE represents the height of the tower which we have to calculate. So let us denote it by letter H, and this tower casts shadow of length 28 meter long. So since EF, length of the shadow of tower 28 meter, and DE is the height of the tower which we have denoted as H. So now how to find this H? So what we will do, we will try to show these two triangles similar, and then take the ratio of corresponding sides, substitute the given lengths, and we can get the value of unknown quantity. So here in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, so in these two triangles, angle B is equal to angle E, very much clear, both 90 degree. Now this angle A and angle D, these are the angles formed by sun rays with the object, and the angular elevation of the sun at the same time is always equal. That means at the same time the sun rays makes equal angle with any object. So that is why angle A is equal to angle D. Reason, you can write the angle or the shadow cast at the same time. This also you can write. So in this way, two angles of one triangle are respectively congruent or equal to the corresponding two angles of the other triangle. Therefore, these two triangles, they are similar by angle criteria. So here again written, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now triangles are similar, so we can take the ratio of their corresponding sides. So take AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. Now what is AB? AB is the height of the pole which is given 6 meter. DE is the height of the tower which we have to calculate, that is H. BC is the shadow of this pole, that is 4 meter, and EF is the shadow of the tower which is given to be equal to 28 meter. So in this way we have substituted all the values. Now you cross multiply. So after cross multiplication you will get H is equal to 6 into 28 divided by 4, and that is equal to 42 meters. Final answer, thus the required height of the tower is 42 meters. So children, this is actually the last sum of your exercise 6.3. Some similar type examples are there which I have given you as a homework. So here are some homework questions, and compulsorily you have to solve these questions. So if AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then prove that AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. So this sum is very much similar to the sum which we have done, that median sum. So you can try this, you will get very easily. Now second is, in figure, triangle ABC is similar to DEF, and AB upon DE is 2 upon 3, and if BC is equal to 4 centimeter, then find EF. Again very simple, triangles similar given, you take the ratio of corresponding sides, few values are already given to you, you can calculate the value of unknown quantity, which is EF. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson, children, and in this way we have completed our exercise 6.3. In next video lesson we will learn new concepts. So till then, goodbye, take care.